Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Farhatul Maknuna. Today, I will present my thesis proposal entitled The Relationship Between Student Vocabulary Mastery and Reading Ability in Grade 8 at MTS. This research was conducted to fulfill the requirements of the undergraduate thesis proposal course under the guidance of the course instructor Mr. Dana Kristiawan. Alright, let's move on to the first slide, which is the background of the research. This is the background of research. Why did I choose this topic? In the context of learning English as foreign language in Indonesia, reading is not merely a mechanical activity, but a complex cognitive process. I observed that A-grade students at the MTS level often experience significant obstacles in understanding text because they are stuck on not knowing the meaning of each word. According to Nations Theory 2001, vocabulary mastery is the main foundation. Without adequate vocabulary, any reading strategy will not be effective. Therefore, I want to empirically prove the extent to which vocabulary mastery is a determining factor on their reading ability at this school. Okay, let's move on the next slide, which is the research question and objectives. This study aims to answer two main questions. First, I want to find out whether there is a statistically significant relationship or correlation between vocabulary mastery and students' reading ability. Second, I want to analyze how much the vocabulary variable contributes to or influences their reading performance. The ultimate goal of this study is to provide a database for teachers at MTS in determining the appropriate portions of vocabulary teaching in the classroom. Okay, let's move on to the next slide, literature review. In this literature review, let's examine the two research variables. The first variable is vocabulary mastery, which I define not only as word memory, but also as the ability of students to recognize the meaning of word in the context of sentence. The second variable is reading ability, which involves the ability to decode and interpret the meaning of a text. Theoretically, if student has a large vocabulary, their cognitive load when reading will be reduced. This allows them to focus on understanding the deeper meaning of the text rather than just deciphering difficult words. Moving on to the next slide, we have the conceptual framework and hypothesis. In my frame of thinking, vocabulary mastery acts as a predictor of reading ability. The higher a student's vocabulary score, the higher their reading ability score should logically be. Based on this assumption, I propose an alternative hypothesis that there is a significant positive relationship between these two variables. Conversely, the null hypothesis states that there is no relationship at all. This test will use a significance level of 0.05. Okay, let's move on to the research method. The research method I used was a quantitative approach with a correlations design. I chose this method because the objective is to test the relationship between variables without providing treatment or intervention. My research subjects are the 8th grade student at MTS, where at this age they are introduced to more diverse types of text. I plan to take a sample of 50 to 80 students to that the data produced has good statistical power. The next slide is the research instrument. Regarding the instruments, I have made significant changes in the initial draft. The tests I prepared were still general in nature. However, thanks to feedback from my colleague and Farhad Saputra through discussion on the LMS, I realized that the test needed to be more specific. Therefore, I revised my reading test instruments to focus on descriptive and recount text. In line with the curriculum currently being undertaken by 8th grade students, I took this step on ensure the content validity of my research, so that the test results truly reflect the student ability in the context of their school material. Okay, let's move on to the next slide, which is the analysis techniques. The collect data will be processed digitally using SPSS software. I will use the person product movement correlation formula to determine the correlation coefficients. In addition, I will also conduct requisite tests such as normality and literality tests to ensure that the data is suitable for further analysis. The result of this analysis will show whether the relationship between the two variables in weight, moderate or strong. Okay, for the last slide is the closing section. In closing, I believe that this research is of urgency in helping to map out the problems of English literacy at the madrasah level, and while aware that this proposal still needs a lot of refinements. Therefore, I eagerly await suggestions and input from the supervising lecturer for improvements in the next stage. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.